damn.
Alright guys, welcome back to our vlogs. So right now we got Omar, me, Nate, and Nate finally got it, guys. His dream car.
That shit's nasty, bro.
How you feel, Nate?
Yeah, bro.
You feel good? Hold on. Oh, my bad, guys. He's doing something. Let me show you real quick. Red interior, everything, bros.
Oh shit, look at the shit up. It's different.
Still got that new car smell. We're gonna try that GoPro, guys, but I'm not sure if in this vlog or the next one. We're still getting the hang of it. Really happy for Nate, guys. Finally got it, guys. After talking about it since like 2018, 2019. He was gonna get the FK8 originally, but when the FL5 came out, he had to get the FL5. Alright, guys. I tried to invite a lot of people. Some people canceled because I wanted to show off Nate's car. Cause Nate, you got it, bro. You got it, bro. Like, you got it. Like, you fucking don't. You back up, bro. But you got it, bro. You got it, bro. Look at this.
You got it, dog.
Like, you got it, bro. That's fucking crazy, guys. Like, it's crazy because he's been talking about this car since 2019, right? Beginning of senior year, guys. Like, I'm telling you, like, this is insane, bro. Insane, like, straight up. I got mine, like I said. We got Cyrus's BRZ right there. A90 Type R. The homie Nicholas is 370, and then I think his name was Bryan. He brought his G35, so it's pretty cool. We're still waiting for Gus, and hopefully Colin pulls up too. And fucking hold it, hey.
What, are you gonna turn it on?
Oh, dude, that two-step bullshit. Yeah.
It's a Honda.
All right, guys, so we'll be back in the next one. We just got kicked out. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Go over there. How does it feel to see a BRZ, bro? Same color in you and everything. Make you want to get another one?
Yeah, bro. Of course.
Make you want to get another one?
Hopefully, bro.
Go get your GoPro. And look who's back, guys. Never left.
Back in.
Fuck, I'm gonna call Bryan's brother, tell him to bring his in.
Is he here? Why don't you call him? Alright, guys, back to how I used to film OG style. But these guys came with them. They're pretty cool. And we're in Mexico, by the way, guys, right? This isn't even me driving. This is me doing a voiceover, by the way. I don't think I've like recorded and talked to you guys for a while. So much things we want to do this year, guys. Me and the team, like, not gonna lie. I really want to boost this car this year, guys. I don't know how. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I really want to make that a possibility. And for this channel, like, you know, I think this car turboed would bring a lot more content and also make possibilities. Oh shit. Also, like, I can compete with better cars, if you know what I mean. But we'll see what happens, guys, all in time. But I know the boys want to accomplish some crazy stuff too. So hopefully we do it for you guys, because like I said, bro, you guys are all here for the ride. Personal goals I want to accomplish too, guys. I want to get in shape for sure. I want to learn to grow, bro. Like, bro, I want to learn to stop judging. I don't really judge right now, but I for sure want to stop completely, because, you know, everyone goes through everything different. And that's one thing I want to learn in life. Like, you know, sometimes people are not as blessed as other people, and sometimes people suffer more than other people. So that's one thing I for sure want to do this year. George, do pull. There she is. I'm just gonna let everyone pass. I just realized I didn't finish yesterday's video, so we're about to finish it real quick. Put the Type R here. And Omar's been bugging me for like 2 weeks to let him drive the Civic. You sure you can handle it, Omar?
Yeah.
Like, how positive are you? Let me get in real quick. God damn. Damn shit. Haven't been passenger in a while, bro.
What the fuck?
How you feeling, Omar?
Good. I haven't driven in a big minute. Big minute.
He always lets me drive his Type R, guys, so I feel it's only fair. Even though the Type R don't compare to this. Nah, it's like, fuck though. How does it feel?
Good. It's fun. This doesn't come without a red match or what?
Nah, hell no. How you feeling about this year, Omar, for us and all that?
Amazing. Better.
Feeling good? Well, Nate already got his car, so it's down.
Better than every other year, you know what I mean?
Hell yeah. Every year it just keeps getting better, guys.
It's a mini rocket, you know?
Yeah, bro. Ooh. You know you like that, bro.
I like it.
You know you like that.
I like it a lot. It's fun.
Guys, Omar's gonna get a Civic. Another one, actually. I'm not gonna tell you guys which one because I want it to be a surprise. If he does not get this, I promise one of this car will be on the channel sooner than later because that car is gonna provide so much content for us. You liked it, Omar?
It's a fun little rocket, bro.
Like I said, guys, just stay tuned. Lots is gonna happen this year. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nate's already got his Type R. Omar's been at his Type R. I want to do a lot of stuff to this car and also the Focus, but the Focus, like I said, every time I push on it, the shifter cables pop out. So once we get that issue fixed, guys, we're good. And the rest of the boys doing good. My brother's doing good. Gus doing good. Colin's doing good. Martin's doing hella good. Martin hopefully gets his Type R or something else soon. Manny doing good too. So it's about to be fire this year, huh, Omar?
It's gonna be amazing.
So just stay tuned, guys. We're gonna keep pumping out these videos for you guys. And peace out.